learning about the subtraction in the binary method. Okay, so by using binary method, there are two types of the subtraction can be done. First one, by using ones complement method, and second by using two's complement method. So dear student, rule for this you are different. Okay, means for one's complement you have to just find out one's complement of the given second number which we have to subtract, and for two's complement we need to find out the two's complement of the second number which we will have to subtract. So let's take one example. Regarding that example you can understand how to do it. Okay, so take initially value for one's complement. Suppose value are given 25 minus 20. Okay, so first of all find out the binary value for this 25 number. So binary value for this 25 number, that means you have to split this number in the power of 2. So 16 plus 8 plus 1, and this 20 is nothing but 16 plus 4. So 16 is nothing but 2 raised to 3 and 4 is nothing but 2 raised to 2. Here 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 4. So accordingly place the value for this. So 2 raised to 4 1, 2 raised to 3 1, 2 raised to 2 0, 2 raised to 1 0, 2 raised to 0 1. This is the binary value for 25 number. Now next for 20 number, the binary value for 16. So that is the 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 4 will be there. So 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 3 is absent, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1 absent, 2 raised to 0 absent. So this is the binary value for 20 number. Now this is the first value and this is the second value which we have to subtract from the first number. So first of all we need to ones complement of the second number. So for the ones complement of second number, you have to plus instead of 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. So this is your ones complement number. Now you have to add this value to the first. We are getting the third equation, so add this value to the first. 0 1 0 1 1. So 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0 1, 1 plus 1 0 1, 1 plus 1 0 1. So now see here you are getting the carry. That means carry is there. There is a rule, when there is a carry in the answer is positive, right? So this carry we have to shift in the ones method to add 1. Okay, so your answer is 1 0 1. So if you check this 1 0 1, this is nothing but the value 5. So your answer is the correct. Thank you.